All right, KB7ZDO, W4KWS.
Hey Tony, yeah, I'm wondering if it's, hopefully it's just a pot that you can turn that adjusts the audio power, and also possibly you have the hardwire and a resistor there somewhere.
Squelch works. Yeah, roger that. Okay, all right. So you're saying the mic gain's good, right? It's putting out about 25 watts, 28 watts on key down. Mic gain's okay?
Yeah, you cut out mid-transmission there for about a second and a half or 2 seconds.
Yeah, I'm still getting used to this microphone. It's a little bit different, but yeah, the preamp's installed. It's auto gain control. I mean, it's working. I just need to figure out the whole speaker deal. I have this Klein speaker hooked up to it. Over.
Yeah, I was just saying hopefully it's just a pot and not a hardwired resistor that you have to find and hunt down.
All right, Keith, let me read up a little more on this tonight, and I'll get back to you tomorrow. Yeah, hopefully it's nothing. I'll give him a call, too, and see if he had an external and whatnot. But, yeah, thanks for the help there. I appreciate it. 7-3, my friend, KB7ZDO, W4KWS.
Sounded good, Tony. Have a good day at work tomorrow. I think it's your last one. Have a good evening, 73, KB7ZDO.
Have a good day. Bye-bye. It's in pretty good shape. Puts out good power. Does sideband. $150 plus 45 shipping. I mean, what else can I ask for?